Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the M5 Document Camera and the Zoom video conferencing platform. Currently, I'm using the DL30, which is an auto tracking AI camera, and then the VB130, which is an all-in-one collaboration solution tool. And what I mean by that is that it is mainly used for front-facing. I have it currently set up on top of my interactive flat panel, and it has built-in speaker, built-in microphone, video camera, and a light bar or a ring light. Now, what I'm going to do today is we're going to take a look again at the M5 Document Camera. We're going to use that as a second camera within Zoom. So how do we do that? Very simple. So right now, what I'm going to do is go to Share Screen. And on Share Screen, I just go ahead and press Share Screen. And you see where it says Basic, Advanced, and Files. Go to Advanced, and you'll see down here, it says Content from Second Camera. I'll go ahead and select that, and we'll hit Share. So what will happen now is it brings up my M5 Document Camera. And the nice thing about this is now everybody at home, the students at home, can see me, and they can see the globe or the map or whatever I may have underneath the document camera at a very close-up view. This also works great for everybody in the classroom because now they don't have to come up to the teacher desk or try to look at something that's very small. This is on a large interactive flat panel, so all the students in the classroom will see this large, and then all the students at home will also see this exactly the way that the kids in the classroom see it. The other thing that's fantastic about this, especially using the VB130 in conjunction with the M5 Document Camera, as you can see the background. I'm in the foreground. Now all the students are in the background. This makes anybody from or watching at home feel as if they are right there in the classroom with all of their peers. So now that is how you'll use the M5 Document Camera along with the VB130 All-in-One Collaboration Solution Camera. So it's very, very simple. So that's it for this lesson. We'll have another one coming up really soon. Thanks for watching.